Now, the other big news to this morning is the launch of Search Plus, the app. Remember, for a lot of brokerages, this was probably the big reason why they had turned cautious because of the constant delays. It's finally been launched. So, is this the big thing for Just Dial? Let's find that out from Mr. VSS Money. He's a founder, managing director, and CEO of Just Dial. Joins us on the line from Mumbai. Good having you, Mr. Money. Thanks for joining in. Now, the Search Plus app launch finally happens. I'm guessing you must be a relieved man as well because it's been delayed for a while now.
Yeah, good morning. The app is launched on the Android version is launched. The iPhone version should go live in 7 days. iPhone usually takes a few days to approve the app. This is the first version of the app, so you would see about 3 different versions in the next 3 months to come. In a way, we are very happy that we launched the app. It was a big Herculean task that we did it, and here on you would see that in the months to come, we will change the way people buy things, people do things in this country, and you would see that the app will give you enough and more reasons to use it for several things. It's a everyday everything app actually. As you know that most apps are Sunday something. Ours is an everyday everything app. This app also gives you price discovery. For example, if you search for cell phone, you may be able to find online the prices at online players as well as the neighborhood stores. So it makes a lot of sense to actually use this app and reach out to the right vendor to purchase your products.
For this app, Mr. Money, you will also have to reach out to consumers, and I'm guessing this would also involve a huge advertising cost just to purely, educate consumers out there about what the app does, how to use it. What's the ballpark estimate on how much advertising cost you would have to undertake?
I would like to answer this differently. This app definitely needs a lot more communication than any other app so far because it's one of its kind in the world. Because to tell something like a single app that will do everything for you, you really have to prove it to people. So just merely advertising will not work. We will definitely advertise it enough. But you would see an army of evangelists who would be around all over the country actually helping people use this app. Most importantly, I'll tell you, like things like a cell phone that you own, a smartphone that you purchase, you may just use 5% of the features that the cell phone has actually. That's because of inertia that people do not want to have the time to discover things, and by the time they have already moved on to a new phone. But this app is so promising that if a user spends 30 minutes time with our evangelist, his life will transform completely. So there will be a life before JD app and the life after JD app.
Give me 2 numbers here. What are the number of downloads you are expecting for this app on the Android platform and on the OS platform? And in terms of AMP spend, what will change for Just Dial?
See, from a TG point of view, anybody who uses a WhatsApp or any of generic messenger app, which is making their life easy because it's saving them money, all of them are a target audience. Because this app does help you do several things. Now, as far as how we reach out to those people, it will be in the due course. You will learn that how we have a strategy to reach out to these people. Actually, if you take up certain things like a foodie app or an app which does for certain lifestyle things like event ticketing and all that, those are limited to a certain percentage of the population. Whereas a JD app includes all of those plus 100 other things. So it kind of helps people like you or anybody else who's still not in that bracket as you are in, still find this app very useful to improve their lifestyle.
I just have, from my end, just one final question. A bunch of analysts who track your company have been waiting for this to happen. They obviously have some numbers or things in mind. You are probably the best fundamental analyst for your company. Why would Search Plus be such an important thing? What are the numbers looking like for the next couple of years as a result of this?
See, I usually don't talk about numbers.
Sure. I'm not asking you for a profit or an EPS number, but some broad-based thoughts on what this means for Just Dial.
Numbers will be huge in terms of people using it and not just the wider reach that I'm talking about. the millions of people that we would be reaching through this app, but the deeper engagement that they would have because of this particular features in this app. And that is going to make a big difference to our business as well as the way people way people do things in their life. So there will be a before JD and an after JD, and you will see us walk the talk. And as far as analysts are concerned, they're always in a hurry, actually, because there's so much noise in media about every day there is some company raising money or somebody doing something. So analysts are in a bit of hurry, as if there is a train moving fast and we are all missing it. It's not true. The Indian internet opportunity is so huge, and you have to play it the Indian way, the patient way. See, there are 3 different markets. America is different. China proved that it's different from America, and India is definitely different from both America and China. The analysts have to have the maturity to understand that. If they constantly compare Indian opportunity to China, they will be totally off the mark. If they compare it to America, which they are not doing in any case, it would be different. So you have to, for guys like me who have been seasoned entrepreneurs for the last 20 years, I have built the company bottoms up. I see this opportunity very different from what most analysts see it, because they are in a bit of a hurry, and they also keep changing every few months. Unfortunately, they go by the flavor of the season. You need to have tremendous amount of patience to understand the sector and really predict it right.
Mr. Mani, good luck and thank you for joining us. That was VSS Mani, founder and managing director of Just Dial, talking about Search Plus. Well, this is this new Search Plus launch clearly will be a great promise, because this is one platform which will give you a combined flavor of just about every major mobile activity. But what you need to watch out for, that nothing in terms of an economic benefit will kick in FY16. In FY16, in fact, the A&P spend as percentage of sales, because they would be looking at marketing this app, would actually go up. So app launch is great news, but will it translate into a financial benefit at least in next 2 quarters? I doubt it very much. It's an expensive stock, a step in the right direction, but you still have to give them a lot of time before you can see a material difference in their balance sheet.
Stock may be absorbing the good news today itself.
There is one is a material move, second is sentimental move. The sentimental move could be there, but materially, I don't think this app is going to start making money the day it's launched.
Of course not, yeah.
You'll have to advertise the app. So as a result, your A&P expenditure, which is advertising and promotion expenditure as percentage of sales, could go from 5% to 7 or 8%.
And given how crowded the app space is right now, this is going to involve some
So that
huge
analysis
costs.
is just bang on, really.
Yeah.
Nothing more to add, but for the fact that the stock has corrected to 800 because Search Plus was delayed.
There could be a pop
and
on
now
the
that
stock.
the Search Plus is launched, I think there could be a move out there. Nothing more to add there, quite frankly.
Okay, let's take a quick break. Then on that note, when we come back, also bring on board Santosh Singh from Society General and Deepak Shenoy from Capital Mind.